We're headed out for our annual family camping trip. We checked in, we got our fresh water, and we headed to our site. During this trip, we're going to stay at the state park for an entire week, and we'll have different family members coming and going. This is such a beautiful drive into the state park. As you can see, we got to our site a little late. We got ourselves all set up, and then I just relaxed in the hammock and watched the sunset. The next morning, Mike and I decided to take the kayak out. We have never taken a kayak out on this lake. It was such a different view of the campground. We were behind all the campers. They couldn't see us, but we could see them. It was a nice view. It is so quiet on this water. Since it was just the two of us, we didn't bring the hard-sided kayak. The kids and my sisters will be joining us later in the week. We decided to bring a two-seated inflatable kayak. This kayak is always stored inside the camper. Look at this beautiful view. There are only a handful of people enjoying this lake. We pretty much had this entire lake all to ourselves. This lake is very easy to maneuver your kayak in. And I love the way the water has a mirror image of everything. I don't know how many hours we stayed out here. The only thing that drove us back was the heat. Well, later in the week, the rest of the gang came and joined us. Well, I'm getting ready to start dinner. I'm cooking ribs. The rub has been on the ribs for a day now, and I'm going to cook the ribs as long as I possibly can before we get hungry. I'm just going to use this Coleman grill so I can close the lid to help hold all that heat inside. As you can see, we have two sites. One has the pop-up and the other side has the Airstream. We put up our shade, canopy, and all the things we need to try to help us stay cool and have fun. There's a lot of trash talking at this cornhole game.
We don't care about that. You feel me? You're chasing.
Trust me, that is not how she do it to me.
Hey, I didn't do nothing. I did nothing.
You ain't doing nothing in the basket either.
But I gotta get a card so I can go on the base.
Alright, now it's happy hour. We're going to make the girls a little drink. Got my rum, pineapple, got our drinks. I love the sunsets here. This is what camping looks like when you come during a weekday. It is quiet. It is peaceful. It's not crowded. I think I'm going to start camping during a weekday. Am I getting old? Maybe. Who cares? Well, this is Lake Erie. It's massive. We just gotta love our Great Lakes. Well, Mike is at work. I'm just out walking about, having a good morning. It's gorgeous out here. Wish I could do this more often, but when I can get away, I am gonna get away. Well, this morning I decided to make us an omelet. Mushroom, onions, cheese, spinach. It's gonna be good. The finished product, doesn't it look delicious? On this particular day, we drove downtown Monroe just to kind of see the city. Well, as you can see, the older kids have joined us now, and they're having fun at the beach. This is London. Castle. Putting the finishing touches on it. Boy, that's London's masterpiece. She insisted on posing for that picture. This is London's Babe Watch moment. I am so glad I don't have to shampoo their hair. And then my little sunshade at the beach where the kids are out there enjoying themselves. This keeps me a little sheltered and allows me to stay out here a lot longer than I normally would want to. This is what the sunshade looks like from the outside. It's very easy to assemble, lightweight, and stores very easily in our camper.
Nighttime already. It's not even that dark. Auntie Patrice, all I'm gonna do is stay here.
That's okay, isn't it?
Okay.
That was not an invitation for you to eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. You eat that. Eat that. Say hi. Can you blow kisses? I don't want to kiss. I said, okay. Mwah. Thank you. Can you blow kisses? Say mwah. Mwah.
The in-laws came out to spend time with us also. Thanks, Rick and Gwen.
Look at the kids. Y'all the grown folks. Yeah. They just use the kids as bait.
Pretty much. Y'all wouldn't die.
Or leverage.
Something like that. Let me. I don't want my roll showing. My SpongeBob socks.
In a horror movie, what would your role be?
No.
It's not your favorite character.
I don't know who my favorite character is.
That's SpongeBob?
Huh?
It's SpongeBob.
No, not on SpongeBob.
No.
Of course, they had to roast weenies in the fire.
I'm so glad we had this time together.
I have them up.
Just to have a laugh or sing a song.
I know
Now it's time for us to say goodbye. Hope y'all had fun.
Definitely.
The perfect s'more.